friends, welcome to Sanjay Surve Maths Academy YouTube channel. Now in this video we are going to cover the remaining word problem from the problem set number 1.5 of the linear equation. So let us start the video. The fourth example is displaying on the screen. So let us read the example. The example is like this. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. So let us take the first sentence and convert the first sentence into the mathematical equation. So what is the which information is given in this sentence? This sentence is related with the numerator and the denominator of the fraction. So let us consider the numerator and denominator of that fraction be x and y. So let the numerator be x and denominator be y. Okay, so in this way numerator and denominator we considered here. Now from the first condition we can make one equation from the given condition. The condition is given like this. Condition is given, the denominator is 4 more than twice its numerator. म्हणजे हा जो डिनॉमिनेटर आहे, हा डिनॉमिनेटर कसा आहे? दिस डिनॉमिनेटर इज more by 4 twice its numerator. More by 4 twice its numerator. So from the first condition we make here one equation. Now transpose this 2x on this side, so we get here minus 2x plus y is equal to 4. Now name this equation as an equation number 1. Now the second sentence is given that if we subtract from both numerator and the denominator, if we subtract 6 from the numerator as well as from the denominator, then the denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. म्हणजे 6 जर आपण या ठिकाणी वजा केले दोन्ही, if we subtract 6, so what will be the if we subtract from the second condition, so right here from second condition, if we subtract 6 from the numerator, then it will be x minus 6, and if we subtract 6 from the denominator, then it will be the y minus 6. डिनॉमिनेटर आणि न्यूमरेटर मधून 6 सबस्ट्रॅक्ट केलेले आहेत. बघा सेंटेन्स परत या ठिकाणी, इफ वी सबस्ट्रॅक्टेड फ्रॉम बोथ द न्यूमरेटर अँड द डिनॉमिनेटर, देन द डिनॉमिनेटर, this denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. Means the value of this denominator will be 12 times of the numerator. If we subtract 6 from numerator as well as the denominator, then this denominator will be the 12 times of the numerator. Simplify this equation, so we get here 12x minus 72 is equal to y minus 6. Transpose this y on the side and this 72 on the right hand side. So we get here 12x minus y is equal to minus 6 plus 72. After transposing, this will be positive. So the simplified form of this equation is like this: 12x minus y is equal to 66. Equation number 2. Now observe the equation 1 and equation number 2. If we add the equation 1 and 2, then y will be eliminated. So by adding equation 1 and 2, now by adding equation 1 and 2, so let us write the equation 1 here. One equation is given here like this: minus 2x plus y is equal to 4, equation number 1, and the second equation is 12x minus y is equal to 66, equation number 2. So add these two equations, this y will get eliminated and this minus 2x and this plus 12x will be 10x is equal to 4 plus 66 will be 70. Transpose this 10 on the side, so we get here x is equal to 70 upon 10. Hence x is equal to we get as a 7. The value of x is equal to 7. Now put this value, put x is equal to 7 in equation number 1. Equation 1 is here, minus 2x plus y is equal to 4. So put the value of x, minus 2 in bracket 7 plus y is equal to 4. Simplify this, minus 14 plus y is equal to 4. Hence we get here y is equal to 4 plus this 14 after transposing. So we get here y is equal to 18. The value of y is equal to 18. We got here two values, x and y. X is the numerator and y is the denominator. Hence the required fraction is, so write the answer, the required fraction is 7 upon 18. This is the required fraction. The next example is two type of boxes A and B are to be placed in a truck having the capacity of 10 tons. There are two types of boxes, A type box and the B type box, and these boxes are placed in the truck having the capacity of 10 tons. The next sentence is given, when 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, then the weight of the truck will be 10 tons. And the last sentence is given, if when we load 260 boxes of type A, then there is a space of accumulating 40 boxes of type B. So find the weight of each type of boxes. A आणि B टाइपचे असे दोन बॉक्सेस आहेत, त्यांचं वजन आता आपल्याला काढायचं आहे. सो लेट द वेट ऑफ A type box be x. Let the weight of A type box is equal to x ton. Now the weight of B type box is equal to y ton. एका बॉक्सचं x आणि दुसऱ्या बॉक्सचं या ठिकाणी y टर्न असं आपण या ठिकाणी कन्सिडर केलेलं आहे. फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट कंडिशन काय सांगितलं त्यांनी, फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट कंडिशन when 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, then the weight of truck will be 10 tons. Okay, 150 boxes of A type and 100 boxes of B type. The weight of one A type box is x ton, so the weight of the 150 boxes of A type will be like this, 150x, and the weight of the 100 boxes of B type will be 100y, and the total weight is equal to 10 tons. So this is the condition given in the example. एका बॉक्सचं वजन आहे x टन, म्हणून 150 बॉक्सेसचं वजन किती होणार आहे तर 150 टन. And again the weight of one box of B type is y, so the weight of 100 boxes of B type will be 100y. So we get here one equation. Simplify this equation dividing by 10, dividing by 10, dividing by 10 on both sides. So we get here 15x plus 10y is equal to 1. Equation number 1. This is the first condition given. Now the second condition is given when we load 260 boxes of type A. 200 and so let us write here from the second condition, when we load 160 boxes of type A, then still it can accumulate 40 boxes of type B. त्याच्यामध्ये जागा राहते या ठिकाणी 40 बॉक्सेस बसतील एवढी 40 बॉक्सेस. मग त्याचं वजन या ठिकाणी किती होणार आहे तर 40y and the total weight will be 10 ton as the capacity of truck is equal to 10 ton. So equation number 2. Name the equation as equation number 2. Now we got here two equations from the given condition in the example. Now let us solve these two equations by the elimination method. How can we get here the elimination of y? So make the coefficient of y equal. So by multiplying equation number 1 by 4. So multiply equation 1 by 4. So we get here 15 4 is 60x plus 40y is equal to 4. Equation number 3. Now the coefficients of y are equal. So subtract equation 3 from the 2. Subtract equation 3 from equation 2. So we get here equation 2 is here 260 x plus 40y is equal to 10. Equation number 2 and equation 3 is like this 60x plus 40y is equal to 4. Equation number 3. While subtracting, change the sign here. So we get here this 40y minus 40y will be 0. 260 minus 60 will be 200x is equal to 10 minus this 10 minus 4 will be 6 and x is equal to 6 upon 200. This can be simplified by dividing 2. 2 3s are 6 and here 100. So x is equal to 100. We get here x is equal to 3 upon 100. That is the value of x. Now put this value in equation 1. Put x is equal to 3 upon 100 in equation 1. Equation 1 is here 15 multiplied by 3 upon 100 plus 10y is equal to 1. 5 3 is 15 and 5 is 25 is 100. So 3 into 3 will be 9 upon 20 plus 10y is equal to 1. Hence 10y is equal to 1 minus 9 upon 20. 9 upon 20. Here the LCM is 20. So here 10y is equal to LCM is 20. So 20 minus 9 it will be 11 upon 20. Transpose this 10 on this side. So we get here y is equal to 11 divided by 20 multiplied by again 10 like this. So is equal to 11 upon 200. 11 upon 200 is the value of y. Hence y is equal to 11 upon 200, that is the weight of the B type of boxes. So this weight is in turn, hence the weight of type A box is 3 upon 100 tons, and the weight of type B box is 11 upon 200 tons. The last example from this practice set is like this. Out of 1900 km, Vishal traveled some distance by bus and some distance by aeroplane. But the second sentence is, bus travels with the average speed of 60 km per hour and the average speed of the aeroplane is 700 km per hour. It takes 5 hours to complete the journey. Find the distance Vishal traveled by the bus. This example is related with the speed of the bus and speed of the aeroplane. So let us consider the Vishal traveled x kilometer by bus and y kilometer by the plane. Let Vishal traveled x kilometer by bus and y kilometer by aeroplane. Simply I am writing here plane. असं त्याने डिस्टन्स कव्हर्ड केलेला आहे, x किलोमीटर बाय बस and y किलोमीटर बाय एरोप्लेन. Total distance is traveled by Vishal is 1900 km. So from first condition, the total distance traveled by the Vishal is 1900 km. So we got here like this, x plus y is equal to 1900. Now we know here the formula of the distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. This is the well known formula about the distance. Now the speed of the bus is average speed of the bus is 600 km per hour. So time can be calculated by this form. So time can be calculated like this. Time is equal to distance divided by speed of that vehicle. Now from the second condition, here the total time to complete the journey is 5 hours, that is given. Total journey साठी लागलेला जो काही टाइम आहे तो टाइम आहे त्या ठिकाणी 5 hours टोटली. परंतु आता या ठिकाणी एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आपल्याला असं दिलेलं आहे की त्याने काही अंतर बसने ट्रॅव्हल केलं आहे आणि काही अंतर त्याने प्लेनने ट्रॅव्हल केलेलं आहे. तर टाइम रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द बस can be calculated distance divided by speed. The distance covered by bus is equal to x kilometer. So x divided by the speed of that bus, that will be like this, x upon 60. Distance divided by speed, like this, distance divided by speed, that will be the time. So this is the time traveled by the bus, and y upon the speed of the aeroplane is 700 kilometer per hour, but the total time is 5 hours. The total time is 5 hours. So we get the equation like this: x upon 600, sorry, x upon 60 plus y upon 700 is equal to 5. Now simplify this equation. The LCM of 60 and this 700 is 2100. LCM आहे 2000 and 100. So multiply by this LCM, multiply by 2100 by on both side. So after multiplying we get like this: x upon 660 multiplied by 2100 plus y upon 700 multiplied by 2100 is equal to 5 multiplied by 2100. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी एलसीएम ने मल्टिप्लाय केलेला आहे, इथं मल्टिप्लाय केला आहे, इथं मल्टिप्लाय केलेला आहे, इथं मल्टिप्लाय केलेला आहे, इन ऑर्डर टू गेट द सिम्प्लिफाइड फॉर्म ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन. या इक्वेशनला सिम्प्लिफाइड करण्यासाठी आपण हे करतोय आता या ठिकाणी. तर 0 and 0 गेट कॅन्सल. 210 is divisible by 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 3 is 18, remaining is 3 and 0. This means here we got 35. Here the 0 and 0 cancel, 0 and 0 cancel, 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. So we get the simplified form of this equation is like this: 35x plus 3y is equal to, the product of this is 0 0, 5 1 is 5 and 5 2 is 10, 10,500. This is the simplified form. So name this equation as the equation number 2. In this way we get here the equation number 2. Now equation 1 and 2, observe these two equation, make the coefficient of y equal. So multiply equation 1 by 3, multiply equation 1 by 3 so we get here 3x plus 3y is equal to 5700. Equation number 5700, equation number 3. Now subtract equation 3 from equation 1. Write 1 and 2 again. 35x plus 3y is equal to 10,500, equation number 2. And the third equation is 3x plus 3y is equal to 5700, equation number 3. While subtracting, change the sign here. This will be negative. Now this 3y minus 3y will be 0. 35 minus 3, that will be 32x is equal to, calculate this, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0 will be 0. Carry 1, 8, 4 and here. Now transpose this 32 on this side. So we get here x is equal to 4800 divided by 32. So carry out this division here like this. Carry out this division: 4800 divided by 32. 32 1 is 32. So we get here 6, here 1, 0. Okay, take the 0 down. So 35 5s are 160, 0 0 0 and take this 0, so it will be 150. So the value of x is equal to 150. दॅट इज द डिस्टन्स ट्रॅव्हल्ड बाय द बस. म्हणजेच या ठिकाणी आपल्याला बसने ट्रॅव्हल किती केलेलं आहे डिस्टन्स ते तुम्हाला विचारलेलं आहे. म्हणजेच आता आपलं उत्तर असणार आहे हेन्स द डिस्टन्स ट्रॅव्हल्ड बाय बस इज द डिस्टन्स ट्रॅव्हल्ड बाय बस is 150 kilometer. The distance covered by the Vishal by the bus is 150 kilometer. So this is the answer. So in this way we complete all the remaining example from the problem set number 1.5. सगळे एक्झाम्पल्स या ठिकाणी झालेले आहे. फर्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये काही एक्झाम्पल्स आहे आणि ह्या सेकंड व्हिडिओमध्ये काही एक्झाम्पल्स कव्हर केलेले आहे. कारण एकाच व्हिडिओमध्ये कव्हर करताना त्याची लांबी खूप झाली असती, खूप लेंदी झाला असता तो व्हिडिओ, खूप मोठा झाला असतो तो व्हिडिओ. त्यामुळे दोन व्हिडिओमध्ये त्याचे पार्ट केलेले आहेत. पहिल्या पार्टच्या एक्झाम्पलसाठी या ठिकाणी जी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये लिंक दिलेली आहे ती लिंक आपण क्लिक केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला फर्स्ट पार्ट जो आहे त्या फर्स्ट पार्टमधील सॉल्व्ह केलेले एक्झाम्पल पाहायला मिळतील. आणि याचा जर आपल्या अभ्यासामध्ये उपयोग होत असेल असे आपल्याला जर वाटत असेल तर नक्कीच या ठिकाणी या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा, म्हणजे या चॅनलवरील सगळे व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला पाहायला मिळतील. थँक्यू फॉर वॉचिंग. कीप वॉचिंग, कीप लर्निंग.